Here we are again. Now it's Martin's turn. This one was jumping like crazy, but we didn't have time to get the camera and tape it. Keep moving that way, Martin. Go where they are. Dale, dale.
Got him? All right.
Keep going, Martin. Keep going. Now that he's going that way. Ahí en 100. Dale, muévete para allá. Dale, dale, dale. This one is in the oven. He already lost 2 today, so he needs to learn this one.
This one's going on the beach.
Self-esteem. ¿Estás cansado? Hey. Dale tranquilo, take your time. Ya está ahorita. Espérate, deja que la ola te lo traiga. Mira, ya pasó. One more time. Duro ahí. Espera que la ola lo traiga. Ok, ya está afuera. Una hora más y te vas y lo buscas.
Yeah.
Ok, go get it. Get him by the leader. Wrap it around your hand. Hurry up, hurry up. Wrap it. The leader. The mono leader. El cable, the nylon pin.
Wait, there you go. Good job.
Yeah!
Right.
There you go, Martin. You are the man! Yeah, baby!
Okay, that's there. Good job. Is that cooked up too?
No.
Okay.
Échale la agüita. Déjame ver, ponle en la cámara. What is that?
Remora.
It look, came all the way out.
No, it's in there.
It came all the way out though, on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that hook is in good there.
That hook wasn't coming nowhere.
You may want to cut that leader.
No, I got it.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Right. Excellent. Come on, big girl.
He's already gone playing somewhere now.